Hey there, admin users. Focus makes it so simple to verify whether or not a student's family received a call-out, SMS, text-to-speech, or an email. Let me show you how. The easiest way is to go ahead and pull that specific student you're looking for because you probably received a phone call. Then click on their Communication tab. Once your screen loads, you have the ability to look at anything sent to or about the student. You also have a tab for School and District, and then a tab for Attendance. We're going to go ahead and focus on that School and District tab. Once it's loaded here, if you don't have your filters on, turn them on. I would suggest filtering for whoever may have sent your message. Once you're here, you can go ahead and either click the recipient or you can click the errors. For example, this was an email with 2 errors. If I click the error, it's going to show me that neither contact has an email address on file. This next example is a recorded call. I can go ahead and click on those 3 recipients, and when my screen loads, it's going to show me if there were errors and what was sent. If I look over to the side here, I'm going to see that this is an invalid phone number as well as no phone number. And remember, what's visible on this screen is directly tied to your profile permissions. So if you feel that something is missing, go ahead and put in a help desk ticket. And linked in the details of this video is a document that'll break down any error that you may see from callouts. And that's how easy it is to verify communication for a specific student in focus. Thanks so much for watching this Byte of Tech. Be sure to check out our wide range of videos to help you master focus, because we're united for every student to succeed.